Okay, so I thought I'd finish this series on how to think in visual binary. Um, so of course we're going to have these first five bits are going to be A, E, I, O, U. So we go back over here, that's A, E, I, O, U. So I mean if we extrapolate what we just said, A, E, I, O, U. Right, and then so these five symbols, imagine you turn them on their edge, right? You turn them on their side, you rotate them 90 degrees, and we're going to have B, P, M, F, V. So B, P, M, F, V. So imagine they're shaped the way they sound. They sound the way they're shaped, right? It looks the way it sounds. So we're going to have B, P, M, F, V. B, P, M, F, V. So these are the first 10 bits. There's 12 more bits. So I'll just finish the alphabet here. We're going to have H, S, H, W, L, D, T, N, and R, S, Y, J. That's the whole rest of the alphabet. So I'll just go X, C, H, W, L, D, T, N, R, S, J, Y. And so these symbols, again, we're talking about this symbol, X, C, H, W, L, D, T, N, R, S, Y, and J. And again, G is J plus Y, Z is S plus Y, Z, K is X plus C, and Q is C plus W for Qua, right? So in here I'll explain. So X, C, I wish I could do this more detailed, but H, W, L, D, T, N. And then these bigger ones are S, J, Y. So that's like the full alphabet. And so we're zooming in on this, which is a quick texting app for smartwatches, a visual binary interface that enables phonetic pronunciations of any spoken sound can be represented in light now. Light is faster than sound. Visual binary is more intuitive and effective for communicating than many of the languages that preceded it. And so, like, what we're talking about is visual binary intelligence, cybernetics, transhumanism, and you know, this eschatology, and the eschaton, I think, is the friendship cube. Now, why? Like, I don't want to scare you, tell you about end times or anything, but what I was saying is that this prophecy of the singularity, the technological singularity, it's going to eventually lead to a psychological singularity, right? A visual binary intelligence. And it's going to, like, empower people, you know, as it grows. And so the idea is mind over machine, like our mind uploading even, right? But we can use this visual binary code. And so you'll see this is 22 bits. This is 22 bits, and as I explained, X plus C is K, C plus W is Q, J plus Y is G, and S plus Y is Z, right? So that way you've got a 22-bit visual binary code where a line is a 1 and a 1 and a 0 is a line is a 1 is a 0, a line is a 1, and a space is a 0. Sorry. You know, we've got this now, a simple layout for a quick texting app for smartwatches or smart devices that enables this language of light to emerge for humanity, a visual binary code. And so, like, what I'm thinking is that we can use this. So, like, I mean, there's going to be linkage industry partners. There's going to be an alliance enterprise. There's going to be magic, media, a merchandise, and movement. A magic, media, merchandise, and a movement emerging from this digital code of the cube. And so, what I hope to do is empower linkage industry partners with all the information necessary to profit from this magic, the media, the merchandise, the movement, the alliance enterprise, and you know, create a big linkage industry friendship cube group that uses this code of light for the world, right? And so, say a linkage industry would be like fashion, right, or entertainment, right? But so, say fashion, right? We could put this digital interface as a badge on clothing. We put on hats. But the cool thing is it could be a programmable interface, right? So say if you wanted to just write the word in, you go IN, right? You'd highlight those two things using your smartphone or smart device, and then you'd make it glow on your body using this, you know, as either like a digital patch that you could wear on your hand or on your heart or on your head or whatever, like your hat, your badge, right? So you could create your own brand name in the moment, and you could also use these images to silently communicate with each other. So say you were sitting in a circle and everybody had the opportunity to say something. You wouldn't have to say it using sound vibration. You could say using light vibration, using the visual binary light code, right? And so there would be